What's up guys, it's me Jeffy Bros. I'm back with another video. You guys may see in my screen I'm playing Critical Ops. I'm playing Critical Ops because I'm bored. I don't know what to post today. And I got a challenge for myself. The one pistol challenge. That means I can only use pistol only challenge. That means I can only use a pistol for the whole time we play. And till we win. If we win like after 3 matches and all, no problem. It's like we win after 1 match. If we win early, okay, that's what I'm trying to say. We will play deathmatch and try to win that with a pistol. That's what I'm trying to say the whole time. So, and I'm sleepy, so. And my voice is cracking because I talk a lot every time. Oof.
Bomb has been planted.
On A. Okay. They never planted a bomb on A, so.
Bomb has been planted on A.
I died because I'm trying to defuse it.
Reach wins.
But we lost. Guys, look at my screen. I'm still using only a pistol. But wait, why am I already in the back? Oh, bro. But I can use grenades for that. Boy, what time? Where am I going? That's what I meant. Where am I going?
Coalition wins.
Oh, we already won. I'm still only using a pistol. What? No. Who put that down? But I'm not going to shoot with it. I said only a pistol and I'm not shooting with that. Wait, let me see if it's like that. Okay, wait. Now change it. Now if I hold this, it will change like this. What I want it to be. Thank God, because I cannot use that P90 now.
Reach.
We lost. Teams change. Teams have been flipped. Pistol. Zero. Except no one throw like that. Okay. I almost took that to make me so humiliated. What did I even say that time? I don't know. Everything is up in my room. Just saying what happened in your room. Yeah, they are going to plant in A for sure. Yeah. Oh my god, planted.
Bomb has been planted.
Oh my god. There's too much lag. That means.
Breach wins.
Yay, we won 3-3. If we win this match, you know what I'm going to say. So, eagle it up. If you look on the ground to see where they're dropping the guns, so I cannot pick it. You already threw a flashbang. Okay, no one took the gun, I think. And no one took damage. Oh, bro. Oh, wait. People using snipers. Now I know why I died. They're like, why is this person only using snipe? I'm not.
Breach wins.
Yeah, we won. If we win this round, we probably. Oh my god, that's 360. I said I can use grenades, but why am I not taking them for no reason? Now I can take them. Come on, bruh. I don't know where I threw them. Run. They come from the back. No, 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 no.
Breach wins.
I'm gonna plant this. Planted it. No, I'm not using that gun. Because we only need one more witness. Then we need to go to that match because this is too early for a match. Oh wait, to end. And that again didn't buy anything. Thanks. Ooh. Oh, snipers. You can handle it. Take it. Where am I, bro? Okay, I'm already in.
I'm planting the bomb. Planting bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Okay, we won. Let's start deathmatch. Didn't get no kills. But I'm still in fourth place. Whoa! And I just woke up, guys. So if I'm tired, not my fault. Okay. Death match. Pistols only. Oh my god, why did I say this challenge? I always give myself a challenge, at least I'll rage quit. $10 minutes. I I still don't know why ESI Vitamin E plays the game. He wants it. He wants to be less than 10 minutes, but he still makes like video about. And I still don't know why did he make a video about pooping. Yeah, the toilets he made, that was super good. But why do you make the sounds for, bro? Why do you have to put the sounds? I watched it twice and I was like, still, who's putting the sound? Did he edit it? Or is he screaming fart sounds in it? Okay, match has started. Oops, the car come and joined. Wait, can I cut? Which one I have? Snipers, right? We cannot cut it, so the sniper should be there for the whole time. I'm not using it. After this, it will be so much relief to use a gun again. I died from that. I get him with a headshot. Again, I'm died. If I get one kill with it, one kill would be able to be proud of myself. I could have killed him, but it was not. What was that aim? Go to the left, go to the right. Aim. Boy. Always. On point means I mean on point. Oh boy! I thought there was one there. Now where did someone come from? I literally wants to use sniper right now to get some kills. But nah, we are losing. I mean, we are winning? Oh no, we are losing. We are. Pow. I'm not really from hiding here. Like, a lot of people sat there waiting for me. I'm moving in real life when I'm doing that. Lighting it up. I'm waiting for people to kill me, and I'm not dying. Oh my god, someone sniped me. Going back. Where did he come from? I'm lagging. Oh. Boy, we can't kill him. He's camping. Oh, finally he's dead. Finally, I'm back. Boy. Okay, I got a plan. Yeah, look behind us. I literally want to use a sniper. But I can't, and we are losing. Okay, that guy look from there because he has another gun, and I can snipe from here. Why am I moving in real life? I'm like they're shooting me, just move to the right. Now who was that? Oh. I got one kill! Yes! I got one kill and I'm so surprised. Boy, where did this guy come from? I'm myself. I never died in the match this much times. I almost got another kill. I had both him. Only few people there. Yeah. I'm the boss now. 2 kills.
Breach wins.
They won. And I died at the last time. And guys, unfortunately, the next match starts. The next match is starting. Okay. And it's cargo. If it was Breware or Heat, I would have given up. But thank God it's cargo. And why it's starting from 48? Let me just pick my gun. Okay, Stigo. My God, why am I coming like that much far? So my fault, guys. Sometimes in this game, they'll make it so far. If I die, cause if I die a lot of times in a match, then if I die again, they will put it the long. So that's why it's a long time for me to come. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy. And we are winning. I can just hide here. Not even going to die. And because they're glowing, I think they're just, I don't know. Finally died. 44 seconds. Boy, everyone I see mostly has. Okay, 2 people have that. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boy, what happened there? Okay, guys, it's not my fault because the channel just like this. And we are still winning, so that's a good thing. Twenty, 19, 18. These people who are damn good with the snipers, I don't know if they played this for like over 5 years by only using a sniper. That's the thing I want to say. Don't want that. Died. Our team is winning because of one thing. Because it's 40 seconds and it was not 40 seconds. I'll just keep dying and we will lose. Because it's 40 seconds, I will only die like less times. So I think that's why we are winning. I got no kills with this pistol so far. But this is a big map. And everyone started running around episode like defuse cargo. They were just hiding and trying to go somewhere. Boy, these people are watching the bullets like nothing. But in case we are winning and we can get over this challenge. Only 2 more minutes. At least I got 2 kills. Only the total kills I got, total with his pistol and everything, is like 6 or something. The kills I got 2 kills every match. Then last match I got 2 kills. 6. Now this match I got 0. I got 0 kills. And every match I got 2 kills. Boy, that snipe was a fake snipe. Oh, that guy sniped me. These people are sniping me. See, we are winning. 1 more minute left. And the video is 26 minutes. I cannot wait to post this video and start using normal weapons. And start going to a killing streak again. Oh wait, I can respawn. Boy, who killed me that time? Yeah, we won! We finally won! Yes. Guys, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Peace out.